Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you will be fine, safe and healthy. Today our topic is 5 kingdom system of classification from class 9 book of biology. After 2 kingdom system, the new kingdom, that is 5 kingdom system of classification, that is proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1969. In 1866, Ernst Haeckel proposed a new kingdom, that is Protista, to include Euglena-like organisms. In 1969, Robert Whittaker classified all living organisms into 5 kingdoms, and in this way he removed all the discrepancies and limitations which are prevailed in 2 kingdom system of classification. In 1988, 2 scientists, Margulis and Schwartz, modified the Whittaker system, and he named the kingdom Monera, the prokaryote, and he also expanded the kingdom Protista by including all unicellular and simple eukaryotic organisms and some known true fungi in it. Now, 5 kingdom system of classification. Robert Whittaker in 1969 classified all organisms into 5 kingdoms. That kingdoms are kingdom Prokaryote, which is also called kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, which is also called Protoctista, kingdom Fungi, and kingdom Plantae, and the 5th one is kingdom Animalia. Now, kingdom Prokaryote. What are the characteristics of kingdom Monera? In this kingdom, all unicellular organisms are included. They are prokaryotic. They having prokaryotic cell. They are microscopic organisms. They lack membrane-bonded organelles and nucleus, and their cell wall is made up of murine. What is murine? It is a molecule of polysaccharide and amino acids. The examples of Monera is bacteria and cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria को हम blue green algae B कहते हैं. The second kingdom is kingdom Protista, which is also called Protoctista. In this kingdom, also eukaryotic organisms included, except the kingdom prokaryote. Prokaryotes में prokaryotic organisms हैं. Prokaryote के अलावा बाकी जो 4 kingdoms हैं, इनमें eukaryotic organisms पाए जाते हैं. They are small and having differences from other eukaryotic organisms. They live in aquatic habitat. पानी में पाए जाते हैं. And the example is algae, amoeba, euglena, plasmodium and paramecium, etc. Kingdom fungi. In this kingdom, the organisms are eukaryotic. They are multicellular. They are made up of many cells. Their cell wall is made up of chitin. Chitin क्या चीज़ है? It is also a polysaccharide molecule. They have no chloroplast. So they are heterotrophic in nature. They cannot prepare their own food, and the reserve food is stored in the form of glycogen. Example is mushroom, yeast, molds, puffballs, etc. The 4th kingdom is kingdom Plantae. In this kingdom, all plants are included. They are also eukaryotic. They having eukaryotic cells. They are multicellular, made up of many cells. They are autotrophic. Autotrophic, they can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Their cell wall is made up of cellulose. They have no centrioles, and the food is stored in the form of starch. The example is brassica, pinus, mulberry and ferns. Now, the 5th kingdom is kingdom Animalia. In this kingdom, all animals are included. They are multicellular. They are eukaryotic in nature. They having eukaryotic cells. They are heterotrophic in nature. They cannot prepare their own food. They have no cell wall, and the centrioles are present in the cell. The food is stored in the form of glycogen. Kingdom Animalia is divided into 2 types. That is invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates which have no vertebral column. Vertebrates which have vertebral column. Vertebral column किसे कहते हैं? रीढ़ की हड्डी को, ठीक है? So the examples of invertebrates are starfish, jellyfish, worms, insects. The examples of vertebrates are fish, reptiles, birds and mammals. So These are the 5 kingdom system of classification. 5 kingdom system की importance क्या है? By the help of 5 kingdoms, all the limitations and discrepancies which are found in 2 kingdom system are removed, and these problems are solved. Now, virus. Virus is a unique particle. Virus having both living as well as non-living characters. They are not considered as living organisms and they are not included in the classification system. The structure of virus, it consists of protein coat. This is head and tail. This portion is called head and this portion is called tail. Its head consists of protein coat. Inside the protein coat, DNA is present, which is the heredity material. And this is the tail. The tail is used for the site of attachment. लिविंग कैरेक्टर्स वायरस के क्या है? दे रिप्रोड्यूस, इसमें की रिप्रोडक्शन होती है. दे कंटेन DNA और RNA which is the heredity material. Now it also contains some non-living characters. They are not made up of cells. They are acellular particles. Acellular particles. क्या मतलब है? Because they are not made up of cells. They do not respire or excrete. Viruses can be crystallized, and this is the property of non-living materials. So in this way, the viruses is on the borderline on the living and non-living organisms. So this is all about the today topic. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.